Discipline yourself, and others will follow. Compare yourself to who you were yesterday, not to who someone else is today. The purpose of life is finding the largest burden that you can bear and bearing it. To stand up straight with your shoulders back is to accept the terrible responsibility of life. If you fulfill your obligations every day, you don't need to worry about the future. You cannot aim yourself at anything if you are completely undisciplined and untutored. In order to be able to think, you have to risk being offensive. You should be a monster, an absolute monster, and then learn how to control it. The successful among us delay gratification and bargain with the future. It's better to do something badly than to not do it at all. Tell the truth, or at least don't lie. You're going to pay a price for every bloody thing you do, and everything you don't do. You should do what is meaningful, not what is expedient. Set your house in perfect order before you criticize the world. Don't underestimate the power of vision and direction. When you have something to say, silence is a lie. Life is suffering. Love is the desire to see unnecessary suffering ameliorated. The truth is something that burns. It burns off dead wood, and people don't like having their dead wood burned off. There's some real utility in gratitude. People who refuse to take responsibility will not survive. Don't use language you would be ashamed to use in your own head. Treat yourself like someone you are responsible for helping. Strengthen the individual. Start with yourself. The way to meaning is through responsibility. It is not virtuous to be harmless. You must be capable of danger and decide to control it. Failure is the price we pay for progress. When you tell the truth, you don't have to remember what you said. If you think tough men are dangerous, wait until you see what weak men are capable of. Face the demands of life voluntarily. Respond to a challenge, instead of bracing for catastrophe. The things that pose the greatest threats to your survival are the things that make life worth living. Do not let your children do anything that makes you dislike them. Humility is recognition of your own insufficiency. Every bit of learning is a little death. Pursue what is meaningful, not what is expedient. The soul of the individual eternally hungers for the heroism of genuine being.